Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. Right in this video I'm gonna show you how to sell your Hamster Kombat tokens right here on Bybit. I've already made a video on how to sell on Binance, so check out the video. Okay, right here guys, I'm not gonna waste much of your time, so let's dive straight to the video. Okay, so right here, this is Bybit homepage, and what you need to do here is to come over to the assets right here. Okay, and if I come over to asset right here, I will scroll down guys. Don't forget, here we have funding and unified trading. Okay, so just in case your Hamster Kombat is on funding accounts, although normally they actually send this token to unified, just in case yours is not on unified trading accounts, head over to where they write transfer. Okay, so if I click on transfer guys, the next thing you need to do here is to send your Hamster Kombat tokens from funding account to unified, where you can trade this token. Okay, right here you can see selecting from funding to unified, and here click on here and search for Hamster Kombat right here. So this is the logo of Hamster Kombat. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to type the amount of Hamster Kombat tokens which you want to transfer to unified trading account. So if you want to transfer, or you click on max, and everything will be there. Go back and you will see it right here on unified trading account. Now we are done sending from funding to unified trading account guys. Let's head over to our spots right here. So from here you can see the selected token right here is TRX/USDT. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and tap on here. So if I tap there, you can see these are the available tokens right here. So if you can't find your Hamster Kombat here, all you need to do is to use the search icon right here. So I will search for you can see the very first one there, Hmstr/USDT, coming soon. That is because as of the time of recording this video, Hamster Kombat wasn't distributed yet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is to use this TRX as an illustration right here in this video. So anything I'm doing here is exactly what you are doing as long as you are trading Hamster Kombat. Okay, so since we are here to sell, we are not here to buy, all you need to do is to click on sell, and boom, so you can see what is selected here is limit. So you go ahead and tap on this drop down icon, and you can see market. We are selecting market because we want to trade this token at the current price. Okay, so now you are done selecting the market. All you need to do is type the quantity of Hamster Kombat token which you want to sell right here. So let's say for example you want to sell 50, and also if you want to sell, let's say you can still use here 50, and you can also use this slide bar right here. So I can choose to say 20, 50 or 100% of my Hamster Kombat tokens right here. And once you are done doing that, go ahead and click on save, and automatically your Hamster Kombat tokens will be converted to USDT. Okay, so don't forget, that is what we just finished doing now. We convert our Hamster Kombat token to USDT. So now you are done converting this to USDT. What you need to do is to go ahead and send this money straight to your bank. And how do you do that? You come over to asset right here. So guys, once you are done converting, your token will still remain on unified trading. Okay, don't forget, you cannot sell this in our unified trading is only for trading on spots. Okay, so what you need to do is to come over to transfer, do the same thing you did before. Okay, so what you need to do right here is to move your tokens, your USDT right there from unified to funding account. So I will go ahead and click on this switch button, and you can see funding, you can see unified trading account to funding account, and here you select USDT. Right here again, you go ahead and type the amount of USDT which you want to send back to funding account, and boom, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on confirm. You are good to go. So now you have successfully transferred your USDT from unified trading account to funding. Go ahead and click on the funding account, and you can see the available tokens right here. So here I am sending USDT. So here I will click on the USDT right here. Okay, don't forget, what we are trying to do right now is to sell this in out and receive our money into our bank account. Okay, so there are different ways to sell this in right here. So right here I want to show you how to sell your USDT via P2P. So you can see here they wrote P2P trading, so you click on it. So here you click on acknowledge. All right guys, so I'm gonna stop this video right here because I have already done a video on how to carry out the P2P trading right here on this channel. So what I'm gonna do is dropping the link in the description. So check the description of this video. I'm gonna drop the link. Okay, that video will guide you through on how to carry out the process from here. Okay, that is how to sell your USDT via P2P. And also there is another method to sell your USDT right here on Bybit. That is if you have a buyer already who wants to buy this thing from you. I mean someone close to you, and you want to sell it to the person direct. You don't want to use the P2P method right here. So you can go ahead and click on withdraw button right here. So if I click on withdraw, this is what I will see, the available tokens right here. So I'm selling USDT, so I'll click on USDT. Okay, so right here what you need to do is for the person to give you his wallet address. Okay, and you come here and select any network. Okay, if the person is sending you, so if you are sending via TRC, the person should also give you his or her TRC wallet address. So you click on TRC 20, that is the network. And another thing you need to do right here is to select the amounts of USDT which you want to sell. So let's assume you want to sell all. You go ahead and click on max, which is maximum. Okay, so another thing you need to understand right here is that if you are sending this outside Bybit, you are going to be charged $1 plus. So take note of that. But if you are sending to a Bybit user, it is absolutely free. Okay, so now you are done with this. You have selected the network, you have pasted the wallet address, you have selected the amount. What you need to do is to come over to withdraw button right here. So since I am not sending anything out, the wallet address is right there. So that is why this withdraw button is not popping up. Okay, it's supposed to show yellow. So once you are done doing that, go ahead and click on withdraw. The next thing you will need to do there is to put your fingerprint. Boom, you are good to go. So that is it, guys. How to convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to USDT and how to sell your USDT out. Okay, so you can see right in this video, I refuse taking this video longer. So all you need to do, the only thing you can do to support me is by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, and if you like what you just finished watching, guys, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comments. Okay, and just in case you are having any challenge, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I'm gonna attend to you. Okay, for early access to update, guys, consider joining my Telegram channel. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description. So see you in my next video.